Good morning, children. Today we are going to study English literature. Now, before starting, I would like to ask you few questions. So be ready. Now, tell me, children, what do you see up in the sky at night? Yes? Some of you will say, Ma'am, we see stars up in the sky at night. Some will say, Ma'am, we see moon up in the sky at night. And some might say, we see stars and moon. Yes or no, children? Okay, now tell me, what gives you light at night? What shines brightly up in the sky at night? Yes? You will say stars and moon. Yes or no? Yes. Now, moon. It looks like a lamp shining so brightly up in the sky. Yes? Now, why am I asking you these questions, children? Yes? Do you know why am I asking? You know why? Because today we are going to study a poem which is about the moon. Now, children, you also know the moon keeps changing its shape. Sometimes it looks like a bow, like this. Now, here in this image, you can see the moon is looking like a bow, and sometimes the moon looks like an O. It is round like an O. Now, children, here in this image, you can see the moon is looking round. It is looking like an O. Yes or no? So, we know how the moon keeps changing its shape. Sometimes it looks smaller like a bow, and sometimes it looks bigger. It looks like an O. Now, let us start with the poem. If you have your books, you have to open page 20 of your English literature book. Let's start. Oh, look at the moon. It is written by Eliza Cabot Follen. Okay, who's the poetess? Eliza Cabot Follen. Now look here. Oh, look at the moon. She's shining up there. Oh, mother, she looks like a lamp in the air. Now, in these lines, this baby is saying to his mother that, Mother, look at the moon. Look up in the sky. The moon is shining up there. The moon is shining so brightly up in the sky. Now the baby also says, Oh mother, the moon looks like a lamp in the air. Why the baby is saying the moon looks like a lamp in the air? Because the way lamp gives us light at night, in the same way moon also gives us light at night, and it shines so brightly in the sky. Okay, now let's read further. Last week she was smaller and shaped like a bow, but now she's grown bigger and round as an O. Now, the baby is also saying that last week the moon was smaller and how it looked like? It looked like a bow. Now you know why I showed you the picture of the moon in which it was looking like a bow? Yes. So over here the baby is saying the last week the moon was smaller and how it looked like? It looked like a bow. The picture which I showed you, like that. Okay, but now when the baby looks out of the window, now he can see that the moon has grown bigger and it is round and it looks like an O. So in the second picture you saw the moon was bigger and it looked like an O. So children, what is being told about the moon? It is said that moon shines so brightly in the sky and it gives us light at night like a lamp, and it also looks like a lamp in the air. Okay, last week she was smaller. It means sometimes when you see in the sky the moon looks smaller and it shapes like a bow, and sometimes when you see in the sky the moon looks bigger in size and it is round as an O. So this is what we learn from this poem. Now you have to read this poem along with me. Let us begin. Oh, look at the moon by Eliza Cabot Follen. Oh, look at the moon. She's shining up there. Oh, mother, she looks like a lamp in the air. Last week she was smaller and shaped like a bow, but now she's grown bigger and round as an O. So here we finish off with the explanation and reading of this poem. Tomorrow I am going to give you complete the following lines of this poem. Okay children, thank you.